Welcome to Art Hub. Today I'm drawing miniature house. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel for more drawing videos. Like and share this video. I'm drawing a bedroom with a window, washroom, now I'm drawing living room. Now I'm drawing kitchen. Car, a sun. It's a sunny day. Now let's make it more prominent. Let's color. Orange color, green color, yellow color, blue color, pink color, brown color, bedroom is ready. Pink color, brown color, yellow color, washroom is ready. Now living room, red color, green color, brown color, blue color, brown color, pink color. Kitchen is ready. Now car, blue color, brown, pink color, yellow color sun. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching.